Hello everyone, welcome back to Take It Simple. I'll be showing you how to create a Skype account in today's tutorial. If you are watching us for the first time, subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll be notified as soon as we post a new video. Skype is a VoIP service that enables people to make and receive free voice and video calls over the internet using a computer web browser or mobile phone. To create a new Skype account, go to your web browser. As soon as it opens, search for skype.com. This is the official website of Skype. Click on the Sign In button located at the top right, and to create a new account, click on Sign Up. To create an account, choose your country code and then enter your phone number, or you can use your email instead as well. To do so, click on Use Your Email instead, enter an email address for your Skype account, and click on the Next button. Now create a password that you would like to use with your account. After entering your password, click on the Next button. Now you'll need to enter your name. Enter your first name and your last name, click on the Next button. After that, now you'll need to verify your email. A code has been sent to the email address you entered. Go check the email. Open the email and then copy the code that has been sent to you. Go back and simply enter the code. If you don't like information, tips, and offers about Microsoft products and services, then uncheck the little box. If yes, just leave it as it is and click on the Next button. Before proceeding, you'll need to make sure that you are a real person that is creating an account. Enter the characters you see above if you want an audio verification. Then simply click on the audio and listen to the code and type in the code and click on the Next button. With this, you have created a brand new Skype account. To get started, choose your profile picture by uploading it from your gallery. Finish uploading and click on the Continue button, or you can skip the step for now by clicking on Skip. Allow access to your microphone, click on the Continue button. Allow access to your camera by clicking on Allow, click on the Continue button. After that, click on OK, and there you go, you've created a brand new Skype account, and that is it. That is how you can create a Skype account easily and quickly. If you like the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or feedback. I'll be back soon with another tutorial episode. Thank you for watching.